Somyar. I am in 10th standard. I have made a car game over here. So this is my car, and if I play the game, my car will move forward. So you can listen to the sounds, right? So I have a car here, and if I press forward button, it will move forward directly. And now I am approaching the water, so it will not I will not be able to control it properly. Yes, sir. I have approached the finish line. Thank you. Hope you have liked it.
Is using mouse and there are birds. There are birds voice also, and we can go forward and jump, and we can see the forest. And there are mountains also. Explore the forest like this, and there is a sky also, sky texture. Yes, thank you.
A very good morning.
So here you can see I just made a terrain for just some stunts in the car. The game is not that refined. So this is just a car game we can roam around. Let me share the other game. So here I have made a plane game where you can roam around the map. I'm not that good at controlling the plane. So this was the
I've created like an experience in which you can experience the a bit of a dark sky and all. There's a custom skybox and all. You can just travel around, explore the place. There are some trees around. So I've made it like that. And if we run it, there's also some ambient sounds. So like you can hear some crickets and all. And well, I mean that is what it is. I made these lights, but they sort of glitch out a bit. So I don't know why that is the case, but yeah. Then there's like sort of a pond there, and we I haven't made a way to get out of that. I didn't realize that I would be able to fall down there. Anyways, if we follow these lights, then we can eventually reach this house. There are some barrels around it and all, and you can see it. You can't go inside because I haven't made anything inside, but it's a house right here. There's a chimney and all.
Uh, my name is Samik Singh from 8th standard of Anamika Village. I made a stage of a game where a person is abandoned on an island which is surrounded by oceans all over. He got here because of a storm. I have created it with the terrain and I have added trees and all. I have added a boat so that the game can be more easy to understand. I'll show you by playing it. Yeah, there is this pathway so that the players can be confused that where do they have to go from. That's why I created that space. And uh, this is the boat, and that's it. Thank you.
So this is a abandoned island where there used to be a person, but a meteor came in and there's still debris of it everywhere. And there are some mountains, a forest, a beach, and a lake over here with some abandoned boats. And you can go around this whole place. And as the sun is setting in my skybox, I added a directional light that gives orange light to this mountain. And there's also a great rock texture that I found on the Unity asset store. So I added that and it looks nice according to me. And as you can see, the meteor left some heavy impact on the ground. As it is not even, it is very uneven. And this is the lake.
I basically made an experience. I'm Arnav Sidai from the 10th grade, Ananiketan Sheelaj, and I have made a natural island with a small lake and some beautiful scenery. And I've basically been trapped here because of an airplane crash, as you can see over here. I'll play the game. We can see the plane over here. It's basically we have been abandoned by a bunch of people, and they are here to mock me. And there is some beautiful scenery around here. There's a lake behind me. Sir, can I show it in scene mode? It's very
Yeah, you can do that.
sticky.
Yeah, yeah, no worries, you can do that.
Yes, sir. 1 second. It's loading. Yes. So as we can see, I have added a small lake over here. This is the plane where the people left me as a result of something bad thing or a bad deed I did. Then there is some scenery around here. I have added some flowers, but I am not sure if you can see them because I don't know why they aren't loading. But I have added some flowers around around here. It's basically a beautiful scenery on the back, and a lake as a water source behind. And we have basically been abandoned by a bunch of people who don't like me, or I've done something bad to them, which they are jealous of me. There is the